one ekirigidere video to the extent Majo say, does it mean that now if this guy could concerning Akwa tiwara is going to come in fulfillment now? But to be honest with you, to tell you the truth, one day Kirigon the video, can refer this guy no concerning if I in a game Akwa tiwara. One day creature Munkamasi, Akwa tiwara, one day Moke, Ganata. That is the question I'm asking myself. But let me not talk too much. Watch the video and share. I'm coming back.
In 2023, I released a prophecy advising native doctor Akwa okuko to sell off his 2 hotels and relocate from Anambra State if he must continue to be successful in his line of job, which is juju industry. But guess what? He ignored me. Instead of heeding to my advice, he went and bought this car. See the car. Now, his purpose of buying this particular car wasn't that he doesn't have car. He simply wanted to use this car to prove to somebody like me and my kinds that he was still doing well, that everything is still fine. But people, smart people like us, we know say, as things there for in life, no be so he did before. He was just using those cars to be packaging online. Things have changed. Now, everything I prophesied in that video seems to be coming to fulfillment. And that is what I'm about to address in this particular video. For this life, you get as your money go long reach. You no go believe say something will happen to you again. You feel fall again for this life. You could always assume say if something happen, you go settle. You always sort out. Because of the kind of money where you don't get. You feel like you come to feel like untouchable. Now, person would advise you because that person no get money like you. You go feel like, who is this one where they advise me? Especially all this mumu way for social media. If you advise person, they say, you, a poor man, you're advising a rich man. Now, how body be on now? Now, you know, all this why I be no one talk because I know what may be like say, I don't they wait for the young man down for. No. I don't talk when people are talking. May not be like I dey chase clout. I talk only when I have something very, very important to talk. And in this video, I am going to talk about something very, very important. Listen. The problem of Akwa okuko na number 1, illiteracy. Number 2, money don't enter in brain. Now make you know they talk, you know they think well again. You go to commit obvious crime online. You know go no say na offense be that. Now make you go openly. They work for Yahoo boys online. They post them for social media. After posting the thing, you will come post to your hotel. Do you know what that means? You are telling the government, say, this crime where we commit, see the proceeds here. So when they come to attack you, they will seize it. That's what illiteracy can do to you. Money without brain. In that video, I advise Akwa okuko to sell off those 2 properties. Now, if I were Akwa okuko, I will not sell them. But this is what I would do to protect those 2 hotels. What I will do is simple. You go and contract people where get good name for the society. People like Cubana Chief Priest or many other popular people where get good reputation. Contract them. Make 2 of una plan them. As una plan now, una go announce publicly say you don't sell this hotel to so person. You see them? You don't sell off the hotel to so people. They will go change the hotel name, change many things. Maybe like say they don't sell the hotel true. But background, now you still get them. In that sense, you don't come up people eye from that hotel. The hotel go come they progress. Because as even as this hotel there now, as it is so, that hotel know they progress. All the videos where they see online about that hotel are just packaging. Because tell me the kind of hotel where you go open. Now only you they party all the time. All the expensive drink where you buy for the hotel, now you go to drink them, now you they pop your champagne, now you they drink your moet, they drink your azu. Go check that video, all the videos about that hotel. He's always Akwa okuko patronizing himself inside that hotel. You know why? Because people will not patronize a hotel where you use juju name in the name of juju build. The only people who go patronize and now people who won't come visit that your shrine, they go just stay there. After lodging, they go come your shrine. Now, that will work fine. That will work out fine for now where you are still famous as a native doctor. That strategy only works for short time as you are still famous as a native doctor. But what you people don't think because you're illiterate, you don't think far. You don't get foresight. As you dey reign now as a popular native doctor, you get so much influence. Because of your influence, people will believe in you go they lodge for that hotel for 1 or 2 reasons. You say you go they reign forever and ever. You say you go reign for the next 10 years. Now, when your reign decline, what happens to this establishment? That's what a smart person should think about. Okay, you dey use because you dey rain now. Go name the hotel after your juju. Golden egg, triple P. You name them after your juju, right? You won't use the influence of your fame now to make people patronize the hotel. Now, wetin go happen after this your fame decline because you be fake. You no go last. What will happen to this establishment? This is what a smart person should think about. Now, after giving Akwa all this advice, he ignored me, thinking like, who is this person when no get money where they advise me?